everyone, and welcome to the fifth video of our series for demonstrations of embedded systems and Internet of Things interim assessment. So for this video, we have the sound sensor, Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, and a cable plus LED. So we connect the sound sensor to the breadboard, attach the jumper wires directly opposite the pins of the sensors. Black. Ghana flag, red, yellow, green, and black. Anyways, we connect the LED to the positive side facing me as usual, and we have our jumper wires connected to the LEDs. So we will start with the connections to the Arduino board. The first jumper wire, which is yellow, will be connected to A0. Second should be connected to G and D. The third will be connected to 7. And the last will be connected to 5V. And for the LEDs too, the positive will be connected to pin 8 and negative connected to ground. So I'll then upload it on the PC. Oh, sorry. I didn't connect the Arduino board. And now so as you saw, the numbers were changing from 2 to 3 as the pitch rose or reduced. So that's basically the sound sensor and then the monitor on the PC. That's it for this video. Bye.